Hello, my name is Dror Ben Yishai. I am the CTO of Intent IQ. I'm a software engineer. I'm a father. I have 2 kids, a wife, and I'm running the Intent IQ technology stack. Over the last 20 years, I've experience with building technology with a large scale, deploying on cloud environment, mainly server-side technology using Java framework, open framework. Specifically in Intent IQ, we're focusing on trying to solve big problems, big data problem, using big data such as Cassandra, Elastic Cache, Redis, and a set of data science and machine learning algorithm. So Intent IQ is an identity resolution technology in the field of the AddTech. We're actually helping different companies finding and understanding better their online user. And today we are building a new and exciting staff of client-side integration, helping to connect our unique technology and server-side into a JavaScript environment by integrating with the amazing ecosystem of Prebid. So I think that the service will be mainly about trying to develop a team that can focus on the different element of JavaScript, native JavaScript on this complex environment of Prebid. I think that one of the amazing projects that we have developed in recently was trying to take the vast amount of our technology through an API and enhancing and providing access through a JavaScript client in the Prebid ecosystem. And the result is amazing, increase in revenue, in performance. So the project of the cross-device attribution is all about measuring the impact of CTV campaigns running on smart TVs such as Roku and other smart connected TV, and understanding their second device conversion. So we actually have built a web application that allows our agencies and partners to interact with our dashboard and understanding the performance of their campaign and the attribution of what is working and what is not working, and the stack that we are now recreating and redesigning this web application completely from scratch and taking the current old Rails technology and porting it to React and Node.js. So I think it's going to be excited. We already start working on turnkey solution with a company, and we want to build that specifically for our new team. Either you are a talented front-end developer or server side, such as full stack, to be incorporated and taking over and managing this project with its unique modules of insight, path to conversion, and a lot of amazing stuff in this new web application that create great value for those agencies. So what is it about native JavaScript developers? So in a sense, you have to be a developer. You have to know to write code. You have to have a strong object-oriented skills. You have to understand structure, events, and understanding concurrency on the page. It's all about performance, but it's more about understanding the ecosystem. So a best candidate would be someone that had at least 3 years plus writing code. Doesn't really matter which code. An advantage would be writing a JavaScript code, TypeScript, native JavaScript, and being able to be independent and connect to other open source frameworks such as Prebid and collaborate with the team and are working directly with the partners. So you're going to be working directly, and your code would be exposed to billions of impressions every month, and every piece of line will be generating some value. So you have to understand your code. You have to understand structure, object-oriented, concurrency. Understanding the DOM of an HTML is super important. Understanding how the internet works when interacting an Ajax call to a server side would be super important and very helpful for our success. Providing services to giant companies such as Taboola, Premise, Simplify, Tremor Video. Those are NASDAQ company, and we want the most talented people to go that journey with us, learning and understanding how to write a better and efficient JavaScript code that even a tiny 5 millisecond or 10 millisecond in your code could affect the performance of the page. So come join us and become a very talented client-side JavaScript integration API team in our new team.